Hey friends, if you wish to install HEVC Video ExtensionsCodecs on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Search for HEVC here. I will type HEVC and hit enter. Now go to this HEVC Video Extensions option and you can download it and install it. Make sure that it is the one for Microsoft Corporation. Now this is a paid option. If you want free options, there are many other software products which will allow HEVC video extensions for free, for example VLC, so you can consider that as well. But this is a paid option. This is the official option for Microsoft. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.